If I'm not mistaken, this is the package that I have been waiting for, and this is the last part of my birthday present. So let's see if that's what it is. I don't know for sure. I'm thinking it's the right size, it's the right weight, but you know, I order a lot of stuff from Amazon, so. Okay, let's see. Oh, it isn't. Oh, boo. Okay, we're gonna try it again. I have another package. Let's hope it's the one I'm waiting for. It is! Yay! Look at what I got! Yay! This is gonna be so much fun! Okay, so I'm gonna unpackage it right here. Ah, yes, and there's a little strip here at the bottom. You can see that you pull that across to open it. And then, apparently, you just pull this whole thing out. Okay, maybe not. That's what they said! Okay, so apparently that doesn't work. Oh. Okay, well, that box is gone by the wayside. There we go. I don't know what the purpose of this thing is, but anyway, there it is. Okay, so I'm going to, well, here, I'll finish unboxing it, show you what else comes with this. You probably already have one, so I won't worry about it too much, but I believe it comes with a charger, 2 different stands, and a battery. And that's it. No, oh, and there is a book down here. Yay! There is a book. Okay, so I'm going to figure out how to use this thing and get it charged and all that, and then we will start having some fun.